Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seekers. So today we're going to be checking out 10 hot short haircuts that you can rock this spring and summer season. So if you've been thinking of going short this season, this video is for you. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll be up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have a gorgeous shaggy pixie haircut. Followed by a classic pixie style. Her hair looks absolutely amazing in this pixie, so thick and full. And if you do want to go short, but you want to keep some length, you can try out this gorgeous bob haircut. Great way to wear your hair all year round, really. Absolutely beautiful. And then we see someone with long curly hair. I really like the stylist hair too. She has like a really pretty shaggy curly style. And it looks like this client decided to get a curly bob haircut. So there is the before. And then we do see another bob haircut here for the next transformation. This bob does feature hair longer in the front, shorter in the back. Gorgeous. So much volume, body, and movement with that one as well. And then we move on to a big chop transformation. So I think she's going to be getting a pixie haircut for this one. Wow, this is quite a dramatic transformation. She shaved off the sides completely, the back. And a nice little pixie cut. Beautiful blonde coloring dyed as well. And then we have someone else getting like a buzz cut style here. Another dramatic transformation. Wow. Amazing. Oh, she dyed it blonde. Very nice. I love it. Quite the switch up. And then we have someone with long waist length hair. Her hair is absolutely gorgeous. Love the natural sheen. But she decides to say goodbye to her hair. And get a nice bob haircut. It's beautiful. And her hair still looks very full. Nice sheen to it. Gorgeous. Alright you guys, I hope you did enjoy all the hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you next time.